Hello everyone, my name is T. Today I can talk about my favorite place. Almost is about one plan of one pillar place. This is an emotion. One pillar mountain of Trần in Hanoi, Vietnam. This is what putting a long time ago by King Louis Tai Tong. Is this a past? There were a lot of fruit, a lot of flower in, in the cat. So the king put the tent like a to lotus to make this box real with cardboard, scissors, and watercolor. People I visit this place to see the scissors. This we like this part because this is very interesting. Thank you for listening. Goodbye.